Hello traders, today is the first trading day of the month, 1st of July, and the first trading day of the third quarter and the last trading day of the week. And I just finished my London morning session. It's 10 a.m. around 10 a.m. I would like to share with you the best trades of this morning. We had a blessing start of the month, and let me share with you how I analyze and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trading community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I did this morning. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. And we had a best trades about all the yen pair. And we had also good trades on the pound dollar. Let me share with you the dollar, yen and pound, all the yen pair. As you can see here, we had such a nice beautiful short trade at the Asian session, and I explained to my trader look for, because you can see here the price almost at this level, so it look for pullback reversal at this level at the beginning, just in the morning session, as you can see here. Then let me share with you the analysis here. You can see here at this London morning session, I explained to my trader this is what happened here. Price developed a double bottom here, and there's still possibilities price might gonna hit this. You can see here green fib channel, and then afterwards possible if the price gonna continue, then we can add another scaling trade continuation. Otherwise, if the price gonna break after that, then long here. So you can see here price nicely respected, hit this target, make a 10-15 pips. Then afterwards price reversed. Then I announced another one, guys. Now look, if you look at here, price developed inverted head and shoulder pattern. That was a pretty straightforward. And we have major support in 4 hour. That was a beautiful. As soon as the price hit to this previous low level, you can see here 4 hour. That's what I explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, we had an amazing trade on dollar yen, and we also had a beautiful trade on euro yen, pound yen, all the yen pair. And if you look at here, we had such a nice beautiful short trade at the Asian session. And then what I explained to my trader, look here, price is at the support level and possibility of reversal. So how I analyze the entries in intraday, and as soon as the price hit this level, explain my trader it's time to bank some profit. Let me share with you the analysis. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see here this morning, as explained, we have major support level, and if the price gonna break, then probably gonna be taking a long trade here. You can see here price broken and retest, and as soon as the price hit the first target, and then I say look for another pullback. As you can see here, another pullback, then another breakout, another pullback. So we announced all these pullbacks through live audio commentary. Momentum was bullish, so that was a beautiful long trade on euro yen, because we keep an eye on 4 hour and refine entries and exit in intraday. That same thing, we had a pound yen, we had a beautiful trade here. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, the price was at the 200 EMA, but if you look at here technically, the price was at the major support level. So we're expecting some sort of reversal. We already had this beautiful short trade at the Asian session, but I'm just showing you the London morning session. And if you look at the intraday analysis, that's what happened here. So in London morning session, we also had a beautiful short trade here. You can see how this was the London morning session. Beautiful breakout. After the breakout, as always, pull back. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain my trader it's time to bank some profit, because the price nicely hit to the major support level. After banking some pips, as you can see here, price reversed. The only condition for us, price needs to reverse impulsively, which you can see here. Then I explained to my look for this breakout. If the price going to break the previous high and this one long, or if the price is going to break this one, then we can see the continuation. That's what we did live analysis, and pretty straightforward. As you can see here, price broken this high here, and after the breakout, price retest. First target hit. I say, guys, bank some profit, look for another pullback. And you can see here price nicely develop another pullback at this level, which we announced another long trade entry, and as soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is you can see here at this level, that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit and keep taking a pullback. So you can see here we had an amazing trade on yen pair. We also had a beautiful trade on pound dollar, guys. If you look at here, we had a beautiful Asian session. We can see here bearish engulfing candle. That was the beautiful, I did this analysis at the Asian session. And we also had a small pullback on London morning session. That was a pretty straightforward. If you look at here, this was the analysis at the Asian session. You can see here midnight I did this analysis, guys. Look for this breakout and a price broken. Then I explained my trade, keep taking all pullbacks. You can see here beautiful trade here. And I also did another analysis this London morning session. I said if the price gonna break this one, then look for short here and then another pullback. You can see here price broken after the breakout, price retest. So we can see here, guys, we had a blessing morning, banking amazing profit, the first trading day of the month. And I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time instead of review, and opportunities to get banking pips in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where I train and coach trader with the live market every single day. And once they develop their trading skill and produce consistency result, I also help them to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, join my fast growing trading community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend. Until next time, all the best, guys.